Hello Basic Guru users, Brett Spinks here with some exciting announcements about a new enhancement to our resource library. The changes should take effect within the next 7 days. We're signed in as an agency on our test site, so let's go and look at the resource library for Sea-Watch. We have deleted, or will be deleting, categories. We will now be going forward with the idea of using file folders. The good news is that you can create file folders, your employer can create file folders. You can create folders inside of folders, as can your employer. We introduced the new icon to create folders. Give a folder a name just like you would in the past. So here's a folder that we've created, for example, 2015 SBC Notices for EE Review. The hand says we're sharing it with all of the employees at Sea-Watch, so let's click it. Here's the current HMO and PPO, Summary Benefits and Coverage for Sea-Watch. We also created new folders for 2014 and 2013 where we could put in the old notices and archive them. There's no hand, which means we're not sharing it with our employees. Let's go back up a step. We created a folder for our ACA ERISA notices. We're sharing that folder and all of the resources inside of it to all of our employees. As in the past, we can create hyperlinks or upload documents into the system directly into folders that we create, or just directly into the library if you want to. Of course, creating folders makes things a little bit easier to look at. We created a new folder for the handbook, sharing it with our employees. We created another folder where we put our old handbooks so that the employer has access to those. And there's our new 2015 handbook that the employees can all see. So the good news is that you can create folders and put folders inside of folders, putting documents or hyperlinks inside of those folders. You can do this, and so can the employer. Let's go sign in as an employer real quick and see what looks different for them. We'll sign in as the HR professional at Sea-Watch. Resource library. The first thing we're going to see will be all the folders that the insurance agency already created. Same idea, if we see the hand, it means it's being shared with the employees. In this case, the employer, Sea-Watch, wanted to create a new folder titled Disciplinary Action. The employer doesn't want the insurance agent to even be able to see the folder, so they put up the brick wall. By clicking on the little box here, the employer has different options that the agency does not have, and that is to put up the brick wall or take away the brick wall. If the brick wall isn't activated, it means that no one else can see it except for the employer. Let's click on it. Inside of it, the employer has loaded up different documents, and these are all disciplinary documents for different employees. They've also put up the brick wall again because they don't want anybody to be able to see that. There's no hand, which indicates that no one is able to see it except for the employer, including the insurance agent, because that's what the brick wall tells us. Same idea for our I-9 forms. The employer has chosen to hide the folder along with all the resources inside of the folder. You or the employer can go out and add in resources to specific employees. Let's click on Mary Blige. So now we're going to see resources that are available for Mary Blige. The employer created a new specific file folder just for Mary. The hand indicates that Mary is able to see it. Let's click it. Inside of it, the employer has decided to upload her 2013 annual review, her electronic consent form, and her W-4 form. The hand indicates that we're sharing it with just that employee. Notice it doesn't say with plural. It's not plural. This is a resource that the employee is not supposed to have access to. By the way, the employer has activated the brick wall, which means that the insurance agent can't see any of this information. These are just some of the new enhancements that we're working on inside Basic Guru currently. There will be more coming down the road. Thank you very much for doing business with Basic Guru, and as usual, if you have questions, call us at 888-624-4878. Thanks so much and have a great day.